right, what's going on, guys? It's Tim here with A4 Outdoors, and I want to show you, I've got a product that is from Strapinno. It is the retractable ratchet straps. These things are going to make your life so much easier. The load limit on this strap being 1.5 inches wide, the breaking strength is 6,600 pounds, and the working load limit is 2,200. So plenty for an ATV. And it has this other D-ring on it that's already on the strap. So I'm going to try to hook it through my tire here. Right, and then hook it right back to the D-ring. Same type premise here, you just run it through your wheel. Have the D-ring there. Hook it right back on the ring. Come up to here. Right back there. So there's that. You don't have a lot of excess anything. I mean, it's so much better. You don't have all the excess strap and everything. So put it on your D hook there, and you just pull it back to where you want to strap it. Same way there. Pull it down, lock it, and you're good to go. That thing's not going anywhere. Once you unhook it, you get to where you need to go. You just break it down just like a normal strap. Take that off, unhook that, pull it back to your wheel. Retracts right back up. So you're good to go. You don't have all the wind up of the strap and everything like that. Check them out. They've got every size. They've got smaller ratchet straps, which is a lot smaller for everyday cargo. They have everything up to 2-inch wide working load for cars and stuff like that. So check them out, and we'll see you next time.